Let's see now how to use the Mizar terminal to do some research on tokens. Here you can see the main information about the token, starting from the main logo to useful links such as the Twitter and the official website. You can check the market cap, the price, the volume, the liquidity and the liquidity to market cap ratio. All of this is live, real-time data. You can add the token to favourites, blacklist it if you think it's suspicious, which would also prevent bots from buying it, or click here to add it to your volatility bots manually or remove it. Also, on the right part of the terminal, you can see several statistics, such as the buy and sell volume, the number of buy and sell transactions, and the net volume. By hovering over this section, you can change the time range or choose whether you want to view overall statistics or only those associated with smart wallets. Now, on the right side, you can see the live swaps of the token, meaning every time any wallet on the blockchain buys or sells, you'll see it here. Green means a buy and red means a sell. You can view the amount in USD or Solana by clicking here. You can also switch between market cap or price at execution by clicking here. You can see the trader here. If you click on the trader, you get more actions. You can copy the address, view the wallet on SoulScan, open it in the research section, or filter swaps by that wallet only. On the right, you can see the age of the transaction, meaning how long ago it was executed or the exact timestamp. By clicking here, you can also open the transaction directly on SoulScan. You can also see wallet labels such as Rug Addicted, Early Ape wallets, Smart wallets, and more. If you have bought the token yourself, you will see you next to the wallet. This indicates that you executed that trade. At the top, there are several filters. If you click on you will only see your own buys and sells. If you click on Dev, you will only see what the developer wallet is doing. If you click on Smart, you will only see swaps from smart wallets. There is also a KOL filter. When you click it, you will see all swaps made by key opinion leaders or influencers, typically from Twitter or Telegram. You can also use the advanced filter to filter by a specific address, show only buys or only sells, or set a specific amount range. You can save the filter or reset it at any time. On the left side, you have the chart. This is a full TradingView chart, meaning you have access to all TradingView tools. You can draw lines, use indicators, and change chart types exactly as on TradingView. You can change the time frame from 1 second up to 1 day. You can also switch the y-axis between USD and Solana and between price and market cap. The last feature I want to show you is the display settings. Here you can configure what appears on the chart. You can enable bubbles, which show buys and sells from different wallet categories directly on the chart. For example, here I'm showing my swaps and KOLs, but I could also enable smart wallets or scam wallets. This gives you a clear view of who is buying and selling on each candle. We'll keep it on you and KOLs for now. Another powerful feature is Click Candle to Filter. This allows you to click on any single candle and instantly see who bought and sold inside that exact candle. In this case, it's a 1 second candle, and you can see that it was me who traded here. You can also see my star icon. If you hover over it, you'll see detailed statistics. How many transactions you made, how much you bought in Solana or USDT, the amount of tokens, and the execution price or market cap. This feature is extremely powerful for analysing your trades and your bots, especially if you want to see how your bot performs right after a drop, or who is buying with you inside the same candle, whether they are smart wallets, risky wallets, or others. We'll cover this in more depth in a future advanced session.